Hi, I'm Dr. Maggie McKenzie, the Umoja coordinator and the Umoja English instructor at Ohlone College.
Hi, my name is Tijan White, the Umoja co-coordinator and one of the student success coordinators here at Ohlone.
Hi, I'm Sister Dawn Harris, the Umoja counselor and the Umoja personal development instructor at Ohlone. We're all here to tell you about our Umoja Scholars Program and share the kinds of support we offer to students who join Umoja.
Umoja is a learning community designed for students of African descent and open to any student who wants to be part of a supportive and thriving academic environment.
Connections are incredibly important to college success, and we expect our Umoja students to stay in constant communication with us. That's how we keep you on track to pass all of your courses. Umoja students are able to get in touch with us even in the evenings and on weekends, whether it's for extra homework help or to talk about a personal situation.
We also help you prepare for life beyond Ohlone. When you join us, you will have the opportunity to network with Umoja students from throughout California. We offer leadership trainings as well as help with transfer and scholarship applications. We also take students on trips to museums, to conferences, to college fairs, and on university tours. All of the expenses of our trips are covered by the program.
Our program has its own space, called the Umoja Village, on the Fremont campus. It's our program's home where students can work on homework together, have a snack, and share what's on their mind at our weekly village meetings.
Some of our past and present Umoja student leaders have shared these things about our program.
Hello, my name is Brandon Mayfield. My major is film or photography, but I think one of the things I like most about Umoja is like the friendships that I've made. A very memorable thing about Umoja, I'd say, it was the time that we went to UC Davis and we had our Umoja meeting along with the other Umoja students at different schools.
Hi, my name is Tatiana Clark. As an alumni, what I like most about Umoja is the support system and the sense of community. It's really important that we continue to support each other both at Ohlone and once we start our new path. There's going to be a lot of difficult situations that we will all face, but being there together will help us get the advice and care that we need to succeed through it. Thank you.
Good morning, Umoja students. My name is Miles Carter. I am a second-year student at Ohlone College, and my major is psychology. Umoja has provided me with incredible skills training, not just in studying, not just in life, but also in the workplace. Without these things, I'm pretty sure I wouldn't be where I am today. So please, I would like you all to consider joining up with Umoja.
Please let me or another Ohlone counselor know if you're interested in joining our Umoja family. You can also email us at umoja@ohlone.edu.
We hope you'll join us. Bye.
Bye.